Okay, so far we got this. This thing gets pulled. This thing will fall. And that thing will be attached to some rope which goes around this thing right here. And then still more to add there. And there's a dog right there. So now we got this thing attached to a rope which will pull down on this thing right here. You'll pull this thing, and this thing weight is holding this thing up, so this thing will fall down and more to be added here, which will react. So now basically this thing, when this drops, it drops this thing, and this thing gets flung, it's attached to this, so it'll go like this, and then it'll hit this thing. These will go down like dominoes, and this cup will get spilled over into something, a funnel that's going to be put right here. So now the cup that's going to be filled with water isn't right now, but it's going to be filled later, and when it gets tipped over by this, it'll go into this funnel, it will go all the way down here, fill up this bucket, and the weight is supposed to pull down on this and send this side up, which will activate some stuff over here which needs to still be added. So now we basically got it set so when this thing gets way down by the water, it will slightly go up, and this car will be pushed up, and it will go down, down, down. It will hit this brick, and it'll fall into this basket where the balloon is going to be sitting, and it'll get crushed and popped. Now, let's test it. Okay, this is trial 1 of the Rube Goldberg machine. All finished so far, and see if it works. So that happened super fast, and it looks like the balloon was popped. So if you missed that, because it was pretty quick, basically this thing got pulled and this got activated. This thing got pulled down from here. It's got pulled all the way down here, and this thing sort of swung and dropped. It hit these things. It hit this in there. Some of it got in here, kind of made a bit of a mess. And then this thing obviously got pulled up, and then the car rolled down, it hit the brick, and then they both fell down, but the brick in the bucket and got the balloon. And yeah, so I guess that was a success. Surprised it works so well the first time. And yeah.